one of the 3 Christmas markets here in St. Petersburg this year. It's probably the smallest one. And unfortunately, we don't have snow. Mid-December, it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 degrees Celsius. We've had snow melts. Hopefully we'll get some more before Christmas. It's actually not very crowded. Normally this place is packed. But remember, Russian Christmas is January 7th. So give it some time, wait for the snow, and I'm sure this place will be packed soon. Lots of little shops. There's lots of food and stuff too, and activities at different times. Yeah, without the snow, it doesn't feel Christmassy. I'm very glad it's warm. Thankful it's warm. When I was here, I come every year. I remember 2 years ago it came, it was like minus 30. So, come back when it snows, but still. Pretty cool. Grab some sausages. Something fine. It's non-alcoholic inside here. But we're checking some more of the vendors. And because Russian Christmas isn't until January 7th, as I said, Russians aren't on holidays yet. They don't come on holidays until closer to New Year's. So that would explain a lot why it's not very busy yet, although it is the weekend already. Just central park. There's a street over there with ice skating and merry-go-round and stuff like that. And then down here is another street with a lot more little markets and things too. I don't know if we get time to cover them tonight or not. Need to prepare for the cold season. Whole lots of fur hats and things if you need them. Get a guy into the food, and they have crafts and things too. A craft house here, you can make things, and there's schedules for the kids. And we definitely, again, I don't want the cold, but I would like some snow. Because the problem is when it's not too cold here, when it's like just a little below 0 or above 0, it's wet. So right now it's tolerable, but a few degrees less, and the humidity really gets you. It says Usadba Deda Moroza, which is Santa Claus's estate, but Santa Claus in Russian is like Grandfather Frosty. Grandfather Frost, maybe is a better accurate description. And has a granddaughter, Snegorichka, which is like Snow Queen or Snow Princess. All kinds of sweets and then food as well. Got myself a good sausage. Keep looking for a while. Special fried fish. It's smelt, which normally is only in season, but I guess they have saved some and you can still get smelt. Burger, normally just eat them by itself, but in bread, okay. Mini smelt burger and plain. From the Far East. It's a spiced drink. I like how they got it lit up. It's kind of cool. Yum yum. Vine, which is one of my favorites, but being a family market, it's non-alcoholic, which is a shame, but I understand because some people, they just can't control themselves. The sausages look good. I'll investigate that. 2 sausages, cabbage, starters. Roasted nuts. Pretzels. Things for Glintvine. Cookie house. And his band or something is coming. There's a kids train around here too. I've only seen it run around once, but something about the rain. The rain on the pavement just kind of sucks the light up. And it doesn't quite feel super Christmassy yet, but Christmas market. But I don't think I made food here. It's going to be all like honey and sweets and crafts and things. still, just not the snow, man. The rain just sucks the lights out of everything. Cheese. Don't know what that is. Oh, salted fish and caviar and things. Kielbasa, salted honey, pickled preserved fruits, jams, more candy. Oh, more fish, more sausages, cheese, pretzels. Ooh, omo. Omo from Baikal. Really good. More pickled things. Sorry for the lighting. Nuts and candies. More fur hats. Hats and gloves. Panda hat with ears. Pottery. More wheel. And getting a little bit cold. Take a last look at Nevsky. I haven't seen it since it's been decorated with lights yet. Here's Nevsky, but with the rain, I don't know. The rain has a way of sucking the lights out of the street with the lights in the streets, and it's come back when it's not raining. Check inside this old famous grocery store though. See how decorated up it is. A former grocery store from imperial times, and it operated even in Soviet times, and now it's a cafe and can buy all kinds of stuff. There's a restaurant, Dancing Santa, and it's warm anyways. So, we'll play our piano over here.
Mom.
There's a restaurant down there. Sure, it's probably pretty pricey, but probably pretty cool. I'd like to experience sometime. This is all marzipan. That's not actually a pickle or a gourd. It's all marzipan. There's a gingerbread house. Kind of pricey though. It's about $400. It's cool. That light is fantastic. I guess we're gonna walk down Nevsky a little bit and we'll go through Passage, which will be all decorated up. City Tower. And we're gonna walk through Passage, one of the oldest shopping malls in the world, and they decorated up really nice at Christmas. Let's go on wide angle. It's actually less decorated up than previous years. Previous years they had a whole lot more stuff hanging off the bigger trees, Still impressive. It's impressive any time of year to come in here. Sometimes I'm in town and I have to wait on somebody. I will just come in here and sit. There's some benches down at the other end. There's a grocery store downstairs. It's just a cool place. There's a cafe upstairs too. Is it a Christmas whale? Oh, the music's gonna get me in YouTube. Well, I'll get in little bits here because I know YouTube will pick up that music and hit me. Barely decorated this year. Normally it's like a Christmas explosion in here. Now it looks, at least the center part looks like this all year long. Maybe once it gets closer to Russian Christmas I'll decorate it more because this is not decorated. I do hope they decorate it up. I mean, not bad, but just previous 2 years I've seen in here. Just, it was incredible. It was like packed. It was like a Christmas forest. Christmas diving bell or something, I don't know. It's also one of the oldest shopping malls in the world, slightly older than the one we just walked through. And I'm sure it's all decorated up inside, but I'm not going to walk through it today. Got the ladies heading away. This is a famous bookstore.